In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to DocuSign a PDF. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the straightforward process of signing a PDF document using DocuSign. Let's start from the very beginning so you can follow along with ease. First, you'll need to log in to your DocuSign account. If you haven't already set up an account, take a moment to create one. It's fast and free to sign up, and having an account will make it much simpler to manage your documents moving forward. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. From here, your next step is to find the option that allows you to upload a PDF for signing. On the DocuSign website, you'll want to look for the Sign PDFs for Free Online option, or something similar, like Sign a Document or Upload a PDF. These options are designed to guide you to the right place with ease. Once you've navigated to the correct section, it's time to upload your PDF file. Here, you have several choices. You can either drag and drop the file directly into the upload area, or you can browse through your device to locate the file you wish to sign. And, if your files are stored in a connected cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox, you can access them from there as well, adding to the flexibility of DocuSign. As you proceed, you may be prompted to specify if you're the only signer of this document. Confirm this if it applies to ensure the process continues seamlessly. Next comes the step where you add your signature field to the document. You have control over the placement of your signature, so take a moment to select the exact spot on the PDF where you'd like to sign. DocuSign offers a few ways to adopt your signature. You can type in your name and have it automatically converted into a signature style, draw your signature using your mouse or a stylus, or even upload an image of your handwritten signature if you prefer that added personal touch. After you've placed your signature and filled out any additional fields like date or initials, you'll want to finish up. You do this by clicking on the Finish button or whatever equivalent option is shown. This crucial step finalizes the signing process. With that done, you now have your signed PDF. DocuSign makes it easy to access your document. You can download it for your records, store it safely in your DocuSign account for future reference, or send it directly to another party, streamlining the entire process end to end. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to sign PDF documents with DocuSign, saving you time and hassle. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.